Hi guys, welcome back to the Honest Motherhood. I hope you all are doing good and I hope your kids are also doing great. So today I'm going to take you to my favorite restaurant, and why it is my favorite restaurant is because they serve healthy food, and not just healthy food. The food tastes amazing and it is cost friendly, and also the owner of this restaurant is so humble and so caring. They take care of each and every customer who visit here, and that is something really amazing. I have been to so many restaurants looking for something healthy and also tasty, but I always ended up getting healthy food but not tasty, or getting a tasty food but not healthy. But this cafe over here, it broke all of those. I mean, I always thought that wherever I go outside, and if I'm gonna eat pasta, it's gonna be made of maida, because my baby, he loves maida, and I'm a mom who doesn't want my baby to eat maida or sugar, because we all know it's not good for our health and also for our kids. So when I read the menu over here, I was really shocked, because the menu, they give each and every detailed information about the dish that you're gonna order. They will explain everything that they're gonna add, and the best part about here is that whatever the ingredients that has been used here, it's all in house. They make everything instantly, they don't preserve anything. Let it be even cheese also, they make in-house cheese, which is so amazing. I mean, so beautifully they are like taking care of customers, which is so amazing. I have really rarely seen restaurants where they actually take care of the customers. But the customer, I mean, but the owner were in this restaurant, they are so amazing. They were actually making more items to be added in the menu, because they want to take care of other customers who are facing any other kind of a challenges. So that was really nice to see that they're spending so much time sitting, understanding what is not good for particular disease, or particular sickness, and what will be good for them if they eat. So it was really nice to see all that, and really overwhelming, because in this era, I mean, who takes care of our health? I mean, restaurants, when they are starting taking care of our health, then it's something like really amazing. So I was really amazed by all of this, and definitely worth visiting this place. And the food quantity also is really a lot, because I ordered only half pasta. I was not sure my baby's gonna like it, because it's made of millet, and to my surprise, my baby loved it. You guys already can see how he's eating. I mean, it was really amazing to see that my baby loved it. And also the salad, chicken salad, was so amazing. And we three actually ate stomach full, and still there was a salad left. So I literally had to stuff myself because it was really a lot, and I was really happy with the cafe, and the amenities and the atmosphere. Everything was just perfect. You can visit with your family, with your friends, with your kids. It's open, it's welcoming for each and everyone, and it's just a pure amazing experience. And also, if you want to try something else also, you can. It's not like, there is healthy food so it's very limited. No, not at all. They have varieties of dishes over here where you can opt for, and you can, if you want to modify also, you can do that as well. Because here, I mean, I personally experienced it. I love salad with more dressing. And the owner of the restaurant came, visited us, and he actually checked on us to see if we love the dishes, of if there is any kind of a modification that has to be done. And they took the suggestion, and they ensured that they actually bought me extra dressing. They made it again. I mean, they had just prepared enough for my salad, but when I insisted them that I would love little more of dressing, they prepared it again. That was so amazing to see that, they care about each and every customer over here. It doesn't matter what are you gonna eat, or if you're not gonna eat whatsoever, but they still care about each and every customer. So it is really amazing to see. And we had really great time. My baby, he loved the dishes over here, my husband loved, I also loved each and everything over here. We also went ahead and saw the restaurant, I mean the cafe, how it is. And it was really a beautiful experience for us. I have always been looking out for a restaurant where they serve healthy food and also ensuring that the taste also is good. And at last I was able to find, and this cafe is actually located in Kamanhalli, Bangalore. The name of the cafe is Salad Cafe. I mean, the name itself is so amazing. So that, and that's the very reason why I also visited this place, because I also wanted to eat salad, and that's the reason why I went over here. And that's how we found out this place. And I was really happy that I found this place. I'm definitely gonna go again and again, because it's just amazing, and everything is super over here. You guys should definitely. That's all for today, guys. Take care of your health and eat healthy. Bye bye.